Yo guys, welcome back to another video of Dudes with Toys. If you know, we were not satisfied with today's video because we didn't have a lot of fun unboxing the toy because we didn't have the right equipments to play with that toy. So we thought of doing another video. Yes, we're back. And it's gonna be really fun, exciting, interesting because I've looked at the toy and I think it's gonna come out absolutely amazing. Sachin's gonna love it very much. So come out very interesting. So stay tuned. So what toy are we going to review today? Director? Whoa! Ooh, speak out. This toy is going to be really interesting because it includes mouthpieces, so you can't talk properly and you have to read out some words which the other person has to guess. So it's gonna come out really funny and amazing. So first let's look at it's actually for ages 16 plus, but currently I'm 15 and Sachin's 13, so I think we can adjust with that. And it's for players 4 to 10, so we're also gonna call in some of our directors to come, so it's gonna get really very interesting and fun. And the ridiculous mouthpiece challenge game is what it says. It includes 10 mouthpieces, so it has 10 of those mouthpieces, and obviously is manufactured by the Hasbro Gaming. I will definitely do that. Okay, and the rules are, first, instead of the rules, let's get into the there's only rules given. And before getting into the rules, let's let's speak about the price of this. It's placed at 1800, which is I can't tell if it's worth it or not. Like every video, we have to review and we have to unbox and we have to try out everything, which is when we'll get to know if it's worth it or not. Now coming to the rules part. First object: earn cards by successfully guessing phrases. The team with the most cards at the end of the game wins. Wait a second, why is Sachin not with me, man? Sachin!
Guys, I'm not happy with the morning's video, the Nerf Nitro one. We did not have the gun for the car. Jagat is already unboxing a toy. I'm going to join. Bro, I'm coming! I'm going to join through this slide. Let's go! Three, two, one, let's go!
See, I'll see. So there's gonna be a magic happening in 3, 2, 1.
Yes!
See, my man's here. Combust.
Why are you calling me?
Because we're reviewing another toy today.
Hi guys!
Okay, introduce yourself to the people.
My name is Sachin and
What were you doing on top?
something.
Okay, surprise. Okay, the toy we're gonna review is,
Speak out!
yeah, Sachin was really excited for this toy. He always wanted to do this first, but we did the Nerf first, so it's okay, right, Sachin?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Now,
But its age is
16 plus, which is obvious. So we're calling in some of our directors to help us out with this.
Yes.
And it's obviously 4 people, 4 players to 10 players. So we have to call in our directors. Now coming back to the rules, we'll explain you to it later. It's gonna become a little laggy. So let's get unboxing.
Let's go!
Okay, let's get unboxing. You have to just peel this cover out first. And Sachin's gonna unbox the box. Or as always. Wait, let me do this at once.
Unbox the box.
What's the price of this? 1800. We can't tell you if it's worth it or not, like every video, and you just have to do. Yeah.
What?
It's just so simple. You just have to put it in your mouth. They've given a number of cards for you to speak, and already 2 are evident here.
There are
It
many
says
cards.
witty worms write rhymes.
Worms.
How should we pronounce this? Okay, it's gonna get really fun. And this is the sand clock as mentioned. If I didn't read out the rules, so the sand clock is you have so much time to guess the name of the card. I mean, guess the thing written on the card. If you can't guess it, the turn goes to the opposite person. So, see, it goes down slowly.
It
Okay.
takes time.
And first, let's unpack the mouthpieces. We didn't get a cutter, so we have to, pull it out by hand.
Wait.
What? How are we supposed to do this? It feels gross.
They have given 8.
Yeah, we put everything here. This feels gross, dude. To do this, what should we do? I mean, there's no manual as well. Wait, where's the box? Yeah, get it. So,
Think it's
oh, it's like this. It's like this. Wait a minute. It's like this. Ew, that's gross. I know it's gross. You have to really. It's like, ow. It hurts, dude. It's actually really disgusting. Sachin, keep that to yourself. Don't put it
Yeah.
back. Okay. So this is mine. So directors, come in.
on.
Come in, man. So guys, we have both our director here, Mr. Dilip Venkatesh and Mr. PVK.
Yes.
We're very privileged to have you guys. Okay. And Dilip and Sachin are going to be teams, and me and Prithvi are going to be teams. So what we're going to do is we're going to first, decide who's going to go first, and who's ever going to go first, they're going to put the mouthpiece on, and the other person, he has to pick a card and tell the person the word written on the card. If he guesses the card, it belongs to him. So there's this timer until the timer gets all sand comes here. They get so much time, approximately 2 to 3 minutes. The more number of cards they have, who has the more number of cards wins the game. So let's go in, okay? Order Eve.
Eve. It's you.
Who's gonna go first?
Then you.
Okay. Now I'm gonna put my mouthpiece on.
We are going to start the time now.
Wait. I'll
Oh, I
tell
should be there.
3, 2, 1. Yeah.
So where am I going to be?
Here I'm gonna be there.
Oh, okay.
And it's gonna look very
Where are the
disgusting.
cards going to?
It's gonna look very disgusting. So please bear with me. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna have all the cards. He's not gonna see it, and
And he's not going to guess it.
he's gonna guess it. He's gonna guess it. We got this right.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Not this.
Yeah. And he's not gonna see the card. Once he guesses, if he gets it right, he's gonna get the card. So the number of cards he has before the timer gets over. Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's get going, and I'm gonna put the mouthpiece on now. Don't look that side. Yeah. We don't have to cheat. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna be disgusting. Please bear with me, guys. I don't wanna say. Okay. 3, 1.
It's okay, dude.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go.
Timer started.
81.
Huh? Yes, come on. Yes. Dude, say it out.
81.
I got it. E.T. learns. I got it.
1 second.
Okay.
Right rhymes.
Right rhymes.
Yes. 1 sentence in the zone.
Okay.
81.
BT learns.
8.
80. Okay, go on.
Come on, bro,
We're
your
running
time
out
is
of
going.
time. We're running out of time, come on.
81.
Witty learns.
1.
Earns. Burns. Time up. Yes. Come on, bro. Come on. Yes.
We got right rhymes correct, but he didn't get witty. I was worms. What did
I'm
you
so
think?
sorry.
Is witty worms and
Come on, Sachin. Hey, but shuffle the card, okay?
Yeah.
Shuffle the card. Shuffle it.
I'm gonna give it to you, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna keep my mouthpiece with me because
The
it's
moment you start, I'm going
contagious.
to turn it around.
Yeah.
Happy losing. We are gonna win.
Let's.
Shuffle the card properly.
Yeah.
Guys, the score is going to be even. If we don't win, they are also not going to win.
Okay.
Dude,
Ready?
we are gonna win.
We are gonna start in 3, 2, 1, go on.
Yes.
Rind.
In this,
Rind.
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 Wind. Right.
Rind is present.
End. He just want to give a disclaimer. Yes, English lecture.
Rind is present at the each.
Rent is present at the each. What are you saying? Check out the time of
Rind is present in the each.
Ah.
rent.
Rind.
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 Read.
Rind.
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 Ruined.
Rind.
Rain.
Rind.
A hand.
Wind. Wind.
Rind is present at the beach.
Wind is present.
Pleasant.
Pleasant.
At the beach.
At the beach.
Yes!
Time up and they Most of them hind.
We got it. It can't have happened like this. This is mine. Half okay. We're going to get it.
I
You don't laugh.
can't, I'm not able to
Give me the
resist.
cards.
Okay, this is round 2. The first round they won because they got 1 and we got 0 because he made me laugh.
I didn't make him laugh. Yeah. But this time we're going to
Sachin.
win.
Okay.
Ow. Okay, we are going to start the timing now.
Ah.
Just a second.
Ready?
I'm going to hand it over.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Shuffle it, shuffle.
Shuffle, shuffle.
Ah.
You have to say on the right side.
Yeah.
Shuffle it.
At least.
Okay. In 3, 2, 1, started.
That is right.
Hey, you are showing
I'm
it.
not. Hey, don't laugh.
I can't read it out.
It's okay. Try it. Keep trying. We have a little.
Okay, a napkin.
Yeah.
Enact. Yeah.
Marriage. Say it. Marriage. Say it. Does.
Marriage
Marriage.
is
Okay.
worse.
That's a true fact. Okay. Go on. Yeah, marriage.
Marriage. Probably are getting married.
Does.
Jagat, are you getting married?
Is.
Us.
Us.
No.
Us.
Congratulations to both of you.
He says the saliva is coming out. And that mouth.
Guys, time is almost gonna end.
I don't know. I didn't know.
Time up. 0.
Zero again.
Ow.
0 again.
It's our turn.
And vows are frequently broken. Oh God.
Wow, I couldn't say that. Whoa.
Wow. Does. Okay.
Ow.
You're gonna rock.
This guy's gonna die now.
Hey.
Dude. No, let him shuffle. He'll shuffle by himself.
You shuffle by yourself.
Shuffle.
This is
This is the fun. Shuffle part. Hey.
I couldn't say wows. I'm not able to say this is really very hard, man. It's
Okay, guys,
damn
guys.
funny.
Okay. Alright, we're going to start.
In 3, 2, 1, go.
Hair is not like a hat.
Where is like it?
Nah.
Hair.
Where? Where?
Hair is not like a rag.
Where is it?
I.
I.
No.
I got the word.
Hair is not
Where is my?
like a rag.
Where is my
Haircut.
haircut?
Haircut.
Makeup.
Rag.
Oh, where is my makeup bag?
Oh, dude.
Let's do one more. Come on, you have time.
Shit.
Oh God. Can't believe this. Ranged? Banged? Banged? Banged guy? High? Right? That's a song.
Nah.
Bang? Right? High? Right? My? Enact.
Hey, you can't enact. That was only once even you enacted. That's all.
Done. It's done.
And the time is done. And the time is done.
It's okay. Still we got one. Banned by a bear.
Badgered.
Badgered. Yeah, it's badgered. He got it wrong.
Sachin spelled it wrong.
Anyway, still we got one and they got 0.
It's badgered by a bear.
Yes.
a new one.
And
Wash all.
yeah. Now,
Started.
2 rounds, they have won 2 rounds and I guess 2 and Sachin guess 2. So it's gonna be Mr. PVK and Mr. Dilip now. So let's go. We got this. No, this side, the bigger one. Put this in a place where no one.
Cards.
Okay.
God.
You guys are gonna say it from the right side.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait.
There's a rule. You can use your hands to enact and show them.
Hey, that's only one time.
No.
Because it's speak. You have to speak.
Yeah, you have to speak. I know.
Yeah, you can enact it.
Okay. See, he's strong. Enact. You can say that word out. Okay.
Okay, ready? You're not wearing your thing properly.
He is.
No.
He is. Yes, he is.
Yeah,
It's all
yeah.
good. It's all good.
Okay.
It's all good.
Okay, your
But let you
time.
know, you can feel interesting.
Ready? In 3, 2, 1, start it. No, showing letters. Hello.
Okay. B. A bow. A bow and arrow. Then
O and arrow was it
bow.
by Prithvi?
A bow
On that.
above. A bow. 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 Bow and arrow.
O and arrow we are playing
Bow
after
arrow.
this game. Okay? You're gonna play
Bow.
O and arrow after this game.
Bow. Bow.
Hunk.
Bow.
Plunked. Okay, third word.
Flunged.
Yeah.
Bow flunged. Writing.
Mathematics.
Mathematics.
Maths. Yeah.
Bow flunged maths. Yes.
What was that?
Bow flunked maths. Bow.
Okay, your time up. Exactly.
Bow flunked maths.
got
Yes.
Only one. Easy.
Oh God, finally, thanks.
He's like,
I can't even say bow.
he's like,
Oh, thank God.
I kept it here. Don't put it to me. This is mine.
Me and Dilip already messed up, right?
Now it's going to be a difficult task.
Take. Yeah. Easy.
Okay, guys.
Ready?
It's gonna be really hard for
One
them.
second, one
I
second.
hope so. Fingers crossed. Let's go. Why is
I
it
start.
started?
No, okay.
3, 2.
Slurping the saliva. I didn't.
Okay, shuffle.
He just wanted to get the easy one. That's all. Unlike me.
Hey,
2, 1, and go.
Okay, good.
please.
Please.
Egg.
Egg. An egg.
Egg. Snake.
Please.
Bake.
Please. Egg.
Egg.
And eat.
I can't hear him.
Egg.
That's what
An
you were
egg.
doing.
An egg.
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 Snake.
Snake.
Lake.
Four.
Forward.
Please.
Please.
Ease.
Egg.
New.
Lake.
Hood.
Hey, I got it.
Hood.
Please make new food.
Hood.
He doesn't.
Please eat.
Eat.
Please make.
What's the time?
Please make new food. Yes. One more.
I'm asking you this.
Okay, it's done. It's done. Anyway, the time is up.
Yeah.
Well done, man. Okay, I think we have another
Okay,
round.
it's a tiebreaker.
It's a tiebreaker. Yeah.
Tiebreaker.
If now it's a tiebreaker, if we win this round, it might go for.
Okay, how it is a tiebreaker? We have already got 2 points and this was a tie.
Only for this round. We have
No
another round to go.
We are in the lead actually.
Yeah, you're in the lead.
It's still 2-0.
It's fine. But we are just
It's
going
still
to
2-0.
Yeah, it's still 2-0.
No, it's 2-0.
Yeah. Because if we both got 1-1, it doesn't count. So let's keep it 2-0. Or else 3-1. Because you guessed
Yeah.
3, we guessed 1.
Yeah,
Okay,
3-1. 3-1. Okay.
We already lost.
Okay.
Already lost.
You guys lost.
Yes, we win.
It's okay. But still. There you go.
And if you can't say it, you can pass the card back.
Okay. Okay, do it in gear.
Yeah.
Do it in gear.
Hey,
Three.
Arzi said.
No.
Yeah, just shuffling. Okay.
Ready?
Ready?
One second.
Oh, wish us luck. Come on, let's do this.
Ready?
Ready?
3.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Please.
Please
Three.
give
Three.
me.
Three.
Please be.
letters.
Please be
My.
my friend.
Yeah.
Please be my friend. One more. Keep guessing. Please be my friend. Yeah.
ಹೊರಡ್ತದೆ.
Ah.
Very
Very
nice.
nice.
Nice. Motorcycle.
Very nice motorcycle.
Nice. Wise.
Mice.
Nice.
Mice.
Yeah.
Very nice motorcycle. Mice. Come on, let's go. 2. We got 2. If we win, we'll get in a lead. But
ಹೊರಡ್ತದೆ.
4 words.
A flamingo.
Flamingo.
Yeah.
Wearing
Goggles.
goggles. Yes. We can get goggles. Come on, let's go.
ಹೊರಡ್ತದೆ.
Yeah.
Winkering.
But
Wood. Winkering.
winkering.
Oh,
And there are 3. Come on, let's go. Oh, lovely. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah.
we can do it, guys.
How many we got in this one?
We got 3.
So you're totally 4 and we are 3.
3. You just have to get one more.
2. If you don't get it this time, we win or we go for a tie. If you get one.
Yeah.
Or if you get 2, you win.
Oh yeah.
You get one, it's a tie. You get two, you win.
If you
You
don't
get
get
3
anything,
and we are going back. Okay, I'm going to flip the timer this time around. But whenever you guys are ready.
Yeah. Just checking.
Whichever is easy, I'm going to say.
No, you have to shuffle it.
He also.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, he also.
Okay?
Hey bro. That's all. Over.
That's it. Okay, your time starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
Nifty.
Nifty. Huh?
Nifty.
Next.
Nifty.
What?
No!
Nifty.
None.
None.
High.
Hind.
High.
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 Hying.
Hiving.
High.
Having.
High. Fun.
Fun.
Nifty.
Nifty having.
Nifty nuts.
Nifty nut.
Yes.
Here you said it. Nifty nuts.
Nifty nut.
Nifty.
Nifty. Nifty nuts.
Having fun.
Having fun.
Yes.
Hold on. If you get this, it's gone.
Fluffy.
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 Fluffy. Think.
Fluffy think.
Think.
Hink.
Come on, guys!
Very well.
It's done
No, we said it's done before.
It's a tiebreaker.
We said it's done before.
Yes.
Yes.
It's a tiebreaker. Yes. We have one
We
more.
said it's done.
Can you tell, was it a tie or we said it?
Tie.
Type by a nanosecond. Can you believe it? The time was up and he guessed the
Okay, now
sentence.
who's going to wear it and who's going to see?
Let them wear it and we say.
Exactly. That's the fair thing. You guys wear it.
Okay, who's gonna go first?
You guys go first this time.
Yeah, you guys go first.
Get yours.
1 and go.
Kind.
Kind.
Near.
Neighbor.
Near.
Neighbors.
Red.
Like.
Red.
Make me happy. Huh? Heal.
Eat.
Read.
Yay.
Yay!
Oh my god, his mouth is going like this.
Read.
Yay!
Huh? No, that was almost done. Last one, you enact and show.
No, he's done.
Read. Eat.
He's salivating.
Happy neighbors.
Kind.
Kind neighbors. Make me.
Eat.
Make me. Live. Leave. Read.
And done.
He was going. But you follow that strategy, okay? But down Papa on Gutti Tagala, he was having a hard time.
That's so deep.
Guys, we are still in the tie.
Okay, let me get my mouthpiece.
Just one.
No.
Where's
They are not
my
gonna do it.
mouthpiece?
They're not gonna do it.
One, guys, they're destined to win.
No, you guys are not gonna do
So let's go. We can do
We'll see. If you can't do it, if you think you can't do it, just move on to the next one. That's there, right? That's valid.
Yeah, you
you
can
can
get
move on to the next one. Woo! Come on, Bablu.
You can't do it, guys. You
Yeah, yeah.
can't do it.
We just have to guess one, guys, by the way, to win, to get a clean sweep.
They're not.
Yes.
They are not gonna do it.
Lad.
Shuffle it, shuffle it. Shuffle it. Shuffle. Yeah. The time starts now.
Classic.
Classic.
Clown. Car.
Sure.
Shut.
That's what he's saying. Shut up.
Okay, come again. Classic.
Classic. Clown.
Clown. Classic clown.
Car.
Car.
Show.
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 Yes.
Classic clown car show. Classic clown car show. We won. Go. Yes.
Say. Marriage.
Marriage.
Hey, no, same you're not.
Okay. Move on.
High.
High.
Velocity.
Velocity.
Earth.
Super.
Engines.
You're salivating.
High.
High velocity cars.
Earth.
Super.
Engines.
Endgame.
Marvel Endgame.
Endgame.
We are promoting Marvel's Endgame.
High velocity cars. Super.
High velocity. Earth.
Super. Cars. Super.
Engines.
Endgame.
Done.
But anyway, we won.
Penguins.
Oh, penguins. You could have enacted it. But anyway, we won.
Yes. Let's go.
It's okay.
We
won.
literally snatched the game from them and we won.
Yeah.
But anyway, it's a great game.
Wow. Lovely.
It's okay.
Salah is still dripping outside our mouth. We had so much fun. I couldn't, my stomach started paining. We laughed so much, guys. Especially some words like the word start from B, P, and I'm like,
W.
whoa.
Vomiting.
It still sounds funny, and it was absolutely fun.
Yeah.
You just saw us 4 people having so much fun. If you're more in number, the fun just increases by itself.
There's 8
Yeah,
mouthpieces.
there are 10 mouthpieces actually.
10?
Yeah,
I thought it's
if you're 8 or 9, it's gonna be, the fun is just gonna increase as well. So it's
Yeah.
gonna be absolutely epic. We absolutely love the toy. If I have to give a rating for this, but before that, a big shout out to Hasbro. Keep
Yeah.
going, guys. We love your toys. We would like to partnership with. We would like to partner with you guys. It's gonna be amazing. We're looking forward to that. And coming back to the toy, I would rate this toy a complete 10 because we loved the toy, the packaging, the mouthpiece, the words, everything. It was absolute so much fun.
Me too, guys. Then I could not pronounce some words.
It is like penguins. Penguins are penguins. It is so funny, and there are so many cards. The words are not gonna repeat, so it's gonna be so much
Yeah.
fun. The more than 50 to 60 cards, it's gonna be really fun if you are more in numbers. So please do purchase this toy, and let's go for the outro.
Yeah.
Okay, if you like today's video, don't forget to smash down a huge like button.
And also don't forget to subscribe to
Dudes with Toys. I am Jagat.
And I'm Sachin.
Until next time, take
Take
care.
care.
Bye bye. Sachin, kiss one.